Take out device. Install the brush for later use. There are two brushes for selection. First, dry skin brush. Clean the face skin with face wash. Use it for 1 to 2 minutes at a time and 3 to 5 times a week. It is suitable for dry skin and dry mixed skin. Second, oily skin brush. Clean the face skin with face wash. Use it for 1 to 2 minutes at a time and 5 to 7 times a week. It is suitable for oily skin and oily mixed skin. Dip the cotton pad in the makeup remover and remove the makeup on face. Get the brush wet, then put a bulk of face wash with the size of soybean and brush. Put a proper amount of face wash on the palm. Rub to make bubbles. Apply bubbles evenly on the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. Knead the face gently for 3 to 5 seconds, making the bubbles evenly distributed across the face. Turn on the device. Press for 3 seconds to turn it on. Choose cleansing mode. The default mode is cleansing mode. After turning on the device, press for 3 seconds to switch to ultrasonic infusion mode. Then press for 3 seconds to turn off the device. There are two modes for selection. First, cleansing mode. Second, ultrasonic infusion mode. Select the low level. Tap to switch levels. There are 3 levels to select. The technique is move in circular motion around the nose for 1 to 2 times, then move up and down for 2 to 3 times. From the corner of the mouth, move back and forth along the mouth for 3 to 4 times. You can also move in small circles. Move upwards in circular motions and cheek for 3 to 4 times. You can also move from down to up slowly to operate. Do the same on the other side. Move in small circles on forehead for 40 seconds. Please note, there will be an audio prompt at every 40 seconds while working, and the device will be turned off automatically after 2 minutes. The device has memory mode. That is, if it is high level currently, next time when the device is turned on, it is in high level too. It is advised to operate at nose and chin for 40 seconds. Operate at the cheeks for 20 seconds each, and operate at forehead for 40 seconds. Clean the face. Apply toner on face evenly with cotton pads. Take off the cleansing brush and clean the device with wet tissue. Apply essence to the whole face evenly. Turn on the device. Select ultrasound infusion mode. Select the middle level. There are 3 levels to select. The technique is move upwards in small circles from chin to the temple. Operate for 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Move in small circles from forehead to hairline. Operate for 3 times. Move in small circles at nose for 3 times. Move back and forth slowly at philtrum for 3 times. Please note, it is advised to operate at forehead and nose and field trim for 40 seconds. Operate at both cheeks for 40 seconds each. Increase the ultrasonic infusion time to 4 to 6 minutes for those with skin of low absorption. Apply facial mask for 15 minutes. Remove the mask and clean the face. Apply toner. Care the skin. Clean the used brush with clean water. Then place on the charging base to sterilize. Please note, when the charging base is connected to the power, it has blue light. The blue light has the effect of sterilization. Please clean and sterilize the brush in time after using. The sterilization time is advised to be around 20 minutes. Clean the device and keep it clean.